All right, guys, I am about to make myself some vanilla extract. And thank you guys. Thank you, Vanilla Bean King, for sending me this starter kit. So I've already cut the beans, and I split them open. So, and I could see all of that. Look at all that. That's the vanilla. It's even on my fingers. So, yeah, this is good stuff, and it smells good. So I'm going to put them in here because that is what the instructions say. It says split the beans lengthwise. So that's what I'm doing. So I split them all and put them all in here. Put them all in. There we go. Get in. Now you have to use alcohol, um, drinking alcohol, of course, uh, and you can use vodka or any strong kind of alcohol. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to use rum because truth of the matter is I like rum extract too. So this should be really nice when it gets itself together in a few months, because I don't assume it's going to be better than that. Maybe I'll have it ready for Christmas, so I can try to use some of that in my pound cake. So I'm getting every little bit I can in here. So I have some Bacardi right there. All right, I'm gonna use this cup because it's got a spout. So I'm gonna use it for at least a cup. It says 8 ounces. I think that is that's exactly what the instructions say. The instructions say, yep, 8 ounces of alcohol. So it needs to be totally submerged. So if I need to put a little bit more in, I'm going to do that. So here we go. I'm going to put the alcohol. Come on, do it right. Let's not waste not, want not. Let's get it in here. This is 8 ounces of Bacardi alcohol, of rum. Yeah, and it just fits that too. Look at that. Just fits perfectly. Now, I want to start right here with the stopper. I had an issue getting that stopper on, but it didn't really matter because I got another thing that I could close it up with. And as of now, it is turning out beautiful. But I wanted to keep this part in because maybe it's me, I don't know how to really do that and get that stopper on. But I did find another stopper that would fit this bottle, and it's working nice. So again, I want to thank uh, Vanilla King Bean for sending me this because it really does smell delicious so far. And I have that bottle of Bacardi over there that I'm going to use for the future when I make some more. It's time for holiday, and it's time for me to start with my cooking. And I do thank them very much for that. Of brown. It's going to start turning that brown color. I'll have to fix this a little bit, make sure it goes on. But it's going to start turning that brown color, and we will have some vanilla extract in a few months. So I had to go out and get some alcohol because I really don't drink. So I had to go get some alcohol. But this will be here for when I want to make some more of this after I use this up. But I wanted to show you that, yep, I can make it, and that's what it is. All right, thank you guys. Thank you, Vanilla Bean King, for sending me this. Thank you very much for sending it to me. And here we go.